It took me a whole year to learn makeup by myself. How many months or days did it take you to learn how to do your own makeup? Oh, does this happen to you guys? Like, the first one would be so perfect, and then you get to the other one, and then it wants to give up on you. I mean, it's so deep over here, but I'll fix it. I think this is getting bigger than this one, right? Well, they say eyebrows are sisters, so let's use this as an excuse and pretend nothing has happened. I'm drawing in my brows. This is so big. I don't know. I'll just leave it like that, and then I'll use the concealers and highlighter to shape it and see. Alright. I'm actually using the HD foundation, the W7, and then the HD high definition foundation. I've mixed the two. This one is too deep for my skin, and this is too light for my skin, so I've mixed the two into this small container, and that is what I've been using. It's matte, so it dries up very fast. I think I should have shaped my eyebrow. It looks kind of bushy, but we move. And I'm going to use the Pro Concealer Conceal High Definition to define the underbrows. fixed my eyelashes. Just going to I'm so sorry guys, I didn't even realize my camera wasn't capturing the process, so I'm so sorry. My memory is full, so I'm actually using my sister's phone. Anytime I'm doing this, like I'm like